Hi, my name is Sachin Gupta and I am the studio manager of hospitality at Sketch Studio. With an overall experience of 18 years in architecture and interior industry, I have been a part of Sketch for about the last 15 years now. It feels like yesterday when I joined Sketch in around 2007 as a junior architect. I was working under Shamit and had a TL at that time. 200 projects, multiple milestones and hundreds of testimonials later, I am now handling a studio of 40 hospitality experts and interior designers. Sketch is the leader in hospitality design documentation. To say the least, we are global leaders in hospitality interiors. I believe the reason for this accomplishment is the quality of people we have here and the experience they have. Take Rashmi for example. She has been working with Sketch for more than 10 years now. She knows the international quality standard and has worked on projects pertaining to the various culture in the Western Hemisphere of the world. My team goes through and understands very minute details of the project, which in turn makes them meet and exceed the quality threshold every single time.
I have been working with Sachin for 8 years. I have delivered about 100 projects under his guidance. While working with him for all these years, I can't help but notice that his professional aptitude is very good. His technical knowledge, his hands-on commands, and his focus on details are very impressive to observe. He owns the project and knows about every project, every client. On a personal level, he is understanding and supports his team. I would say it's great to work with him.
In 2004, I completed my diploma in architecture from Board of Technical Education. Since then, I have worked on multi-story hotels, large-scale residences, retail outlets, multi-theme restaurant, etc. There were projects with public area and guest room having 500 units over 15 floors. Some projects were in iconic cities of the USA, UK, Ireland, and a few were in Asian countries like China, Thailand, Japan, and Russia. Some of the projects were quite challenging for me. For instance, I had worked on a project which was a large covered space including a grand atrium. The atrium was going up to 3 floors with many circulation spaces, staircases, and podiums. The design, which included wooden paneling, glass screens, and railing, was covering all 3 floors. Ceiling was in multiple cove offsets having light focusing on the design elements of the balcony. The ceiling was see-through in nature with glass over the domes made of wooden beams. The ceiling was connected by a wooden dome structure. The challenges we had were mostly of the structure, which has complicated designs. The columns and the wooden ceiling structure were in a dome shape. It was tricky to detail out. Voids of escalator were of irregular shape. To tackle these issues, a senior project manager was allocated to oversee the entire project and ensure coordination across the project. Suggested client to use grids or graph for irregular shapes, voids for dimensioning and detailing. It came out well in the end and the team got an appreciation mail from the client. Every single project makes us feel part of something grand. In Sketch, we do not proceed without clarity of objectives. This has led us to be able to have clients associated with us for the past 13, in fact 15 years. These clients are among top design firms of the world. Sketch is an organization where everyone gets ample opportunities. I believe that as a professionals, our benefits is in understanding and grabbing them. We can only grow as a team if we utilize, maximize, optimize, and share our knowledge with each other while doing projects.